How to unarchive emails in Gmail and turn off swipe to archive. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. First, I'm going to show you how you can archive emails and then I'm going to tell you how you can unarchive them. So to archive them in desktop, you're going to head over to Gmail account and then let's say this is the email that I wish to archive. You click on this box icon, simply click on it and this email will be selected. At the top, you should see this archive option. Click on it and now you can see that that email disappeared from your inbox. So next, what you're going to do is click on this more icon over here to unarchive it. And then you're going to search for this option of all mail. So once you click on all mail, you should see all of your emails that you have archived as well. So you can see that this was the email that I archived. When you click on this block once again right next to the email, and you should see this option again, but this time it's written move to inbox. Click on it and then when you go back to your inbox, you should see that that email has returned, and that is basically how you can unarchive your email on desktop. Now I'm going to show you how you can unarchive it on your mobile device. So on your Gmail mobile, you're going to swipe the email to the left and then you're going to head over, click on these three horizontal lines at the top left. Scroll down and you should see the option of all emails. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all the emails that you archived. So when you scroll down, you can see that this was the email that I archived. You're going to click on this email and then you're going to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. And after that, what you're going to do is click on move to inbox and that email would have returned to your inbox unarchived. Now let's say if you wish to turn off the swipe to archive, like you can see when I head over to primary and when I scroll to right or left, you can see that there is an archive option. So now if you wish to, disable this option, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines again, scroll down, click on settings, and then you're going to click on inbox customizations. Here you're going to click on email swipe actions. And you can see that right swipe and left swipe are both on archive. You're going to click on it and then you can simply select none, click on done, and then go back, scroll down again, go to settings, and then click on inbox customization, go to email swipe actions again, click on left swipe once again, and then you're going to click on none, click on done, and that's it. That is how you can turn off swipe to archive. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.